Hello, my name is Pete Reyes, SuperDuty Chief Engineer, and I'm really proud to introduce you to the all-new 2008 SuperDuty pickup. Let's start by taking a look at this new front end. This is Ford Bold. The tall grille line and lower headlamps give this truck the big rig look that our customers like. And as an engineer, I like the tall grille because it provides more cooling. And more cooling translates into more power. Ditto for these functional fender vents. They make the truck look even bolder and more imposing, and they actually help expel heat from the engine compartment. Stepping to the side, these new available PowerScope integrated folding mirrors are 30% bigger and even tougher looking than the signature trailer towing mirrors on the current SuperDuty. The all-new interior redefines tough luxury with improved ergonomics and innovative technology like the quiet steel dash panel for reduced cabin noise. We've added a long list of new options, including a navigation system, satellite radio with audio input, dual zone climate control, secure lock anti-theft ignition, traction control, a rear seat DVD system, a universal garage door opener, a memory feature that automatically adjusts the power mirrors, the driver's seats, and the adjustable pedals, and an optional auxiliary cabin heater that's available only with the new 6.4-liter diesel engine. At the rear of the truck, the new tail lamps and updated styling reflect the truck's new bolder attitude. And we've added this all-new industry-exclusive optional tailgate step. For even more capability, buyers can order the new stowable bed extender. Like the tailgate step, it folds out of sight when not in use. Talk about maximum capability. The new F450 SuperDuty pickup is built on a unique chassis to provide the most capability ever in a vehicle that can still function as a working pickup truck. To make sure that every new SuperDuty will stand up to the toughest use, this new truck was tested under on-the-job conditions. We designed our tests based on vehicle data recorders that were placed in the trucks of real-world customers to see how they really use their vehicles. To give this all-new truck that kind of world-class capability and durability, we needed a world-class power plant. I'm proud to introduce our all-new PowerStroke 6.4-liter diesel engine. This engine is all new from the oil pan up. It is the cleanest, quietest, toughest, and most powerful diesel we've ever introduced. It produces 350 horsepower, and even more important to real SuperDuty owners, it cranks out 650 pound-feet of torque at only 2,000 RPM. To take advantage of all that power, this new engine is mated to an upgraded torque shift transmission. All new gear sets reduce whine, we have redesigned clutches, and the new three-way torque converter improves shift quality and also reduces noise, vibration, and harshness at idle. For added capability, our available tow command system includes the industry's first integrated trailer brake controller, plus a transmission tow haul mode that changes the shift points to maintain higher engine RPM and increased torque while accelerating. The system also allows engine compression braking on downgrades. Finally, this new engine is designed to meet the much tougher 2007 emission standards, with features like an active DPF or diesel particulate filter, enhanced exhaust gas recirculation, advanced multi-shot injection control, electronically actuated variable turbocharger geometry, or VTG, and a superior engine structure. This engine has been thoroughly tested for durability with more testing than any diesel we've ever launched. That includes punishing real-world durability tests at our proving grounds under abusive conditions in all climates, at various altitudes, and with different loads. Just part of the more than 10 million equivalent miles of testing performed over 600 engines. Let's take a closer look at some of the new and innovative features on this all-new PowerStroke diesel. My favorite feature, the dual sequential turbos. A small, fixed, low-pressure turbo provides initial boost at launch, and a larger one with variable vanes kicks in at the higher RPMs. This combination eliminates any turbo lag and provides smooth, continuous power boost all the way from takeoff to full throttle. For durability, we used nickel cast iron turbine housings. and a new variable turbocharger geometry, or VTG mechanism, that's designed to resist corrosion. And we've added an electronically controlled VTG actuator that is designed to eliminate failure due to contamination. Plus, it provides great response on acceleration. This engine features a high-pressure common rail, or HPCR injection system, that provides a number of benefits. It improves cold drivability because injection timing is independent of oil viscosity. It eliminates injector damage due to clogged fuel filters or fuel starvation. And the improved piezo injector actuation allow for multiple shots to increase combustion and reduce engine noise. This system also includes this high-pressure fuel pump. The diesel particulate filter, or DPF, is designed with precise porosity to trap soot. When the trapped soot causes exhaust back pressure to rise, the DPF must be regenerated or cleaned. This turns the soot into ash where it settles in the bottom of the DPF. The engine control module, or ECM, controls the regeneration process, which does not interfere with normal vehicle operation. A check engine light will turn on when it is necessary to remove the DPF and clean the natural buildup of ash. If needed, a manual regeneration can also be performed by a technician using the Integrated Diagnostic System, or IDS. This engine also features a dramatically upgraded cooling system. It includes an upsized water pump, a new fuel and turbocharger actuator cooling circuit, plus increased cooling fan capacity. When it is introduced, the 6.4-liter will be one of the most advanced diesel engines on the market. Because of its advanced technology, it has new and different requirements for operation, maintenance, and repair. Owners and dealership service personnel alike must understand and follow all of these new requirements. First, service intervals. There is a 10,000-mile oil change interval, 5,000 miles under severe operating conditions. The fuel filter must be changed every 20,000 miles, 10,000 miles under severe conditions. It is also important to note that the definition of severe operating condition is different for this engine than for other powertrains. In addition to the filter changes, owners should be aware that they need to drain the water separator filter every 30 days. Too much water can lead to fuel starvation. There is a water and fuel message located in the instrument cluster that illuminates when the water level has reached its limit. Customer awareness of new operating requirements, including the use of proper fuels and fluids, is critical. This engine requires ultra-low sulfur highway diesel, or ULSD fuel, which has a maximum sulfur content of 15 parts per million. Compare that to the current low sulfur diesel fuel, which can have up to 500 parts per million. Using regular low sulfur diesel instead of the ultra low sulfur highway diesel can dramatically shorten the life of the DPF and can lead to engine failure. Like all diesel engines used in Ford trucks, this engine can run on B5, or 5% maximum biodiesel, but only if it has been converted chemically from animal fats or from vegetable oils like soybean oil. Raw vegetable oils, animal fats, cooking oil, or recycled grease can never be used because they are unstable and will gel or gum up even at high temperatures. There is also a new oil specification now available, API CJ4, which is required for lower emission engines like the 6.4-liter Power Stroke. It is critical to use this oil in the 6.4, but it is also backward compatible for use in the 7.3 and 6-liter diesel engines. Motorcraft diesel fuel additives have been reformulated to work with the 6.4-liter engine and are also backward compatible for the 6.9, 7.3, and 6-liter engines. In the dealership, that means you'll need to order new part numbers to take care of your new 2008 model diesel truck owners. There are also 17 new special service tools for the 6.4-liter Power Stroke. And there are new engine stand adapters and a cab tie-down kit to assist technicians when repairs require cab removal. Both items can be found in the Rotunda Equipment Catalog. You should also be aware that existing diesel certification is not valid for the 6.4 liter engine. This is a completely new engine with a host of advanced features. That's why even certified diesel technicians must take the new 6.4 liter engine web-based training and then complete the 3-day classroom course. The new 6.4 liter Power Stroke diesel is an all-new next-generation engine that provides the extreme capability our SuperDuty owners demand. It has been designed and tested to be one of the most advanced and durable diesels available. But because of its many new features, it has critical new requirements for proper operation, maintenance, and repair. To help ensure years of solid performance